Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So last time you guys saw this NSX getting freshly painted. Now it's time to get this thing ready for delivery. Let's get into today's video. Alright, last time you guys saw this thing, it was just freshly out of paints. This is a couple weeks later, and right now we have a little bit of a mess because this whole thing is getting fully assembled and paint corrected at the same time. We're cleaning up every piece as we go to get this thing 100% perfect. It's looking really good right now as we are speaking, but we do have a couple more things to go on it before we can say we're absolutely done. Right now we have a Tweezy over here, a Tweezy on the mic.
Yes, sir.
Getting this thing fully wet sanded, polished, and ready for delivery. We also have a couple more pieces of paint. We have a hood that needs to get painted. We have a front lip and we have a trunk, and that's it as far as paint goes. While we are polishing, we are assembling. So today is Monday. By Friday, this thing needs to be 100% ready for delivery because we have a lot more cars ready for this exact spot. So let's get into it. Alright, so far, one side down, roof down, a Tweezy in the motherfucking building. Aton, I didn't say leave this like ready to leave in a museum. I just said leave it clean.
You know how we do it?
Dude, this thing's looking sick. Like, it makes me want to get an NSX. It might be in a plan one day. I mean, if we're talking Honda's best car ever made, I don't think, I don't think that there's nothing tops this. And with the red, black roof, obviously, we got to do better than these FD stock wheels, right? This is just temporary body shop rollers. This thing could be one of the cleanest NSXs that you've ever seen. We got the front bumper with the lower valence. Right here, we got the front lip that's just been freshly painted, and the last piece of the puzzle is going to be the NSX R style carbon fiber hood, and it's going to look amazing once this thing's all wrapped up. Alright, the NSX is in the polishing bay right now. We are test fitting the new VIS carbon fiber hood. This is probably one of the only companies that actually still makes the NA2 hood. Alright, so we did a quick test fit. I mean, it's not closed down. We have to put the actual latch from the stock hood, it looks like. But for the most part, it looks like we are good to go. We'll take this off, we'll prep it out, and get into paints. So H1 here can finish polishing the rest of it. But here's a little sneak peek, man. This thing is looking a-okay. Good job, a Tweezy. Let's get this thing in the paint so we can get this thing finished. All right, guys, this NSX is pretty much wrapped up, ready to go home today. Client is right outside. We are just literally doing the final wipe down, and this thing came out amazing. You're gonna see it a little bit better in the sun, so you can really see the detail that went into finishing this thing. Atwan, I know this thing was a pretty pain in the ass for you, right?
Yeah.
But are you happy that it's leaving today finally?
Yeah. I think it looks great. I think he's gonna love it.
I think he's gonna love it too, man. I think maybe for the next time, I think we just got a set of pineapples that you asked for. I think you gotta ask for
yeah.
like 100 grand or something next time.
Yeah.
But man, there's just something about red NSX that just screams like Honda. I don't know about you, but it's hard to, you know, besides obviously a better stance in the wheels, this thing is pretty much perfect. I wouldn't really do too much more to it. Very happy with how this thing came out. The client is right outside. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out, get his reaction, and take another gander at this beauty that we just finished. All right, guys, this thing is finally finished. It's ready to go home. Tow truck should be here any moment, but we got a little bit of sunlight out, and I wanted to show you guys this finish, because man, this thing looks better than OEM. This finish looks so good in the factory finish, the factory red. H1 really outdid himself. On the fitment is pretty nice. Only thing that's missing on this thing is some wheels and lowering it. So I'm here with the client right now. Jesse, what do you think?
Man, you guys killed it on this one, man. I couldn't ask for anything more. Everything came out better than expected. I'm just blown away by how beautiful this car looks. So thank you guys so much, man.
Thank you, brother. So, how long have you had this car?
I've had this car since 2012.
2012.
Yeah, so 12 years.
I don't think I've ever kept the car that long. So kudos to you, because that's a long time to have a car, and then I guess for you to have it now pretty much revamped everything. You get a new set of wheels.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, these are just
body
right
shop wheels.
Yeah, body shop wheels, exactly. So new wheels coming on, cup kit with coilovers, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys for interior, of course.
Nice. Yeah. So just to let you guys know, just came from about an hour away, right? So that's a lot of ways to travel for a body shop, but Jesse, just want to know, was it worth it?
Oh man, I honestly couldn't trust nobody else in California or anywhere. I didn't know anywhere else to go, so definitely worth it. SOS is the best, top-notch quality. You guys see for yourself.
We had a lot of deliberation on the color, but seeing it right now, just in this final form, dude, it looks so good. Honda just, I don't know, this is it probably is the best Honda ever made, but I don't know, this with this red, with the black, the two-tone, it's kind of hard to see it all done without the wheels and the suspension, but this thing just looks so good. And I gotta brag on the guys, man, because this finish is just impeccable. It looks so good. This thing is finally getting ready to head out. One last look at my work, and she's off. All right, guys, finally the NSX is out, and we're on to the next one. I hope you guys just enjoyed today's video. It was very short, but you guys pretty much saw the whole process already. This was just kind of the finishing process, and a lot of times as soon as we paint a car, we want it to sit to really shrink back the clears and everything like that, and really give it a nice wet sand and polish, which we didn't get too much into it, but a lot of times there's so much things going on here that it's hard to get every single minute and hour and all the time that goes into these works of art. But I hope you guys enjoyed a little peek into what we do. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and notification button. We got videos coming out every week. It helps us out way more than you know. And also give us a follow on IG. I'm gonna go ahead and drop our links right here. Again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Drop comments because I love reading them, and I usually do try my best to respond to all of them. So again, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and Jesse, I hope you enjoyed your NSX as well, as it was a pleasure working with you and getting your vehicle ready for you. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Here at SOS Customz, we got you covered. Peace.